Temu Gaming Monitor 2025. In this video, I'll give you my honest review of the Temu Gaming Monitor in 2025. If you want a gaming monitor and you are planning to buy from Temu, then this video might be a good help for you. So to get started, for the price, this monitor does a good job. It has a solid refresh rate and low input lag, so games look smooth and the visuals are sharp enough for casual gaming or streaming. It's also super easy to set up with HDMI or display port. However, the build isn't quality premium. The stand feels a bit flimsy and the colors aren't as deep as more expensive models. You may also need to adjust the brightness and contrast settings yourself. It's not a high end gaming monitor, but it gets the basic right. If you're just starting out in gaming or need a budget friendly second monitor, this one gets the job done. It's not flashy, but it handles everyday use just fine. And that's my review of the Temu Gaming Monitor for 2025.